Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Noic here, and today I am going to be unboxing this RadioMaster Ranger. Um, it is a JR slot RF module for your drone's control link. Sorry, let me get this in frame here. Still got the plastic on it. Box looks very nice. I like this little drawing of the Ranger module on the front. Um, so yeah, I just want to record my first impressions while I open this box. I do like this plastic wrapping. It kind of makes it feel a little bit more premium in your hand when you're unboxing it. And here's that shiny little printed on drawing there. So Ranger module, the full size. This one is capable of 2 watts with a mod. Kind of opens like an Apple box. And the instruction manual here. And I presume this is the module itself. Wrapped nicely in this plastic coating. This is really good closed cell foam here. I'm sure if this box is dropped, it's not going to take any damage. So you can trust it'll be safe when it arrives. Here is the module. Wow. This looks like, I don't know, a high-end graphics card or something. I know it's just a module, but the quality just feels superb. These fins look really, really nice, I think. The anodizing is really good quality, and these CNC finishing touches on the casing really give it a premium feel. I think even nicer than some other modules that have plastic casings or something like that. So yeah, let's take a look at this SMA. Let's get this cap off. Very nice gold plating. And yeah, let me open the rest of this box now. Let's see what we got. Taking out this foam piece. Beneath it looks like there's more documentation. Maybe this is, oh, these are receivers. So I forgot to mention, this is actually the combo package that I received. So I have 2 of these. I'm not sure what model of receiver these are, but yeah, you can see here. Really tiny. Next to my thumbnail, you can see. And this one, this is what I'm excited to test. This is the chip antenna. You can see there, it's pretty small, smaller than I expected. And it comes with a little piece of heat shrink. Cool. So here are the included antennas. This is the MA24, and I'm not sure what this smaller one's called, but they both look pretty nice quality. It's a plastic casing and reinforced bendy SMA cable. Looks good. And lastly, at the bottom of this box, yeah, here's the slots. So you attach the Ranger module to one of these if you want to use a JR slot. And I guess this is some other standard slot for smaller radios. But I guess it just connects and screws on. Yeah, there's a screw kit in here, so that must be it. But yeah, that's everything in the box with the RadioMaster Ranger 3RX combo kit. Thanks for watching, guys.